This is Nitya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Today we are going to see the series of non-increasing sequence and their theorems as well as the examples on that. Let us see the first theorem. Series whose terms forms a non-increasing sequence. Non-increasing in the sense decreasing sequence. So if the an is a non-increasing sequence of positive number and if a summation 2 power n a power a into 2 power n converges, then summation a n converges. So we have, if it is a non-increasing sequence, then a1 is greater than or equal to a2 and a3 and so on. So therefore a1 is less than or equal to a1, that is a2 plus a3 is less than or equal to a2 plus a2, which is equal to 2a2. Now a4 plus a5 plus a6 plus a7 is less than or equal to a4 plus a4 a4s. So 2 squared into a squared squared, a2 squared. So for any belongs to I, therefore n belongs to I, a2 whole power n, a2 n plus 1, a2 n plus 1 minus 1 less than or equal to 2 power n into a2 per n. Now from these inequalities, summation ak is less than or equal to summation 2k a2k, summation 2k a2k. So hence for any m belongs to I, summation ak is less than or equal to summation 2 power k a2k. So by the hypothesis, summation 2 power k a2 power k is less than infinity. So by the comparison test, summation ak is converges. So hence prove the theorem. Next theorem, if an is a non-increasing sequence of positive number and if a power n 2 power n into a2 n converges, then an diverges, the same thing which diverges here. So a3 plus a4 is less than or equal to 2a4, that is 2 power 1 into a2 squared, and the second term is 4 less than or equal to 4a8, that is 2 squared into a2 squared. a2 power 4 will come there. So in general, a2 power n plus 1 plus a2 power n plus 2 plus and so on, a2 power n plus 1 greater than or equal to 2 power n into a2 power n plus 1, which is equal to half into root of half into 2 power n plus 1 into a2 n plus 1. So that summation ak is less than or equal to 1 by 2 into summation 2k plus 1 a2k plus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 power k into a2k. Therefore ak is less than or equal to the half into this one. So by the hypothesis, 2 power k into a2k is equal to infinity, which was given. So by the comparison test, summation ak diverges. So summation k equal to infinity. Next corollary, the series summation 1 by n squared converges. So let us see the proof now. Here an equal to 1 by n squared. So summation 2 power n a2 n, which is equal to summation 2 power n 1 by 2 power n the whole squared. So which is less than infinity. So here this is the general term. So summation ak converges. So 2 power n into a2 n converges, then an converges. Therefore 1 by n squared is converges. Next we are going to see some examples. Examine the convergence of the series 1 by 1.2.3 plus 3 by 2.3.4, 5 by 3.4.5 and so on. So here un equal to 2n minus 1 divided by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Therefore root n equal to 1 by n squared, vn equal to 1 by n squared, then un by vn equal to limit we are applying and n tends to infinity, simplifying, and then after applying the limit we are getting the answer as 2, so which is a finite and non-zero. Therefore summation vn is equal to 1, summation 1 by n squared is convergent. Therefore by the comparison test un is also convergent. Next, class L squared. The class L squared is a class of all sequences Sn such that summation Sn squared is less than infinity. So the elements of the L squared are the sequences. So we are taking the L squared as a sequences and S is equal to the sequence Sn such that summation Sn squared is less than infinity. Then the elements of the L squared sequence are sequences only. Each element should be the sequences. Next example, the sequence 0, 0, 0 is clearly an element of L square. The sequence 1 by n diverges as an element of L squared since 1 by n squared is less than infinity. the sequence 1 by n is not an element of L squared. So we have seen the non-increasing sequence in the series as well as some examples also, theorems based on that. So hope you have understand the theorems. Thank you so much for watching.